Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get reactivated on Spark Driver. So if your account has been suspended or deactivated, then just follow along. First, you need to determine why your account was deactivated by checking your app notifications and email. And if Spark allows an appeal, you need to submit it as soon as possible. You can include accurate information and any documents requested to support your case. And if your documents are expired, upload updated versions. And if the issue relates to your background check or identity verifications, complete the required steps as instructed. Then after submitting your appeal, you need to monitor your email regularly for updates from Spark. And avoid creating a second account while waiting, as this may delay the review process. And if you haven't received a response after a reasonable amount of time, then you need to contact Spark Driver support for a status update. So that was how to get reactivated on Spark Driver. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.